Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can remove background from a photo in Micorosft Powerpoint and create a passport photo from it. First of all, you need to have a good and suitable photo of you and transfer it to your laptop. We are going to make a passport photo so that you can give your passport photo to your university later. Yes, university needs your passport photo, especially for them to make your student matric card. Without further ado, let's start. So first, click on Insert over here. Then, select Pictures and import your photo. Double-click on the picture. Then, as you can see here, on the picture format, there is Remove Background option on the left. Click it. And now, you can see my picture is being highlighted. The magenta color on the photo is going to be removed. So I want only my face and body to be displayed and to remove the grid wall background. What can I do is click on Mark Areas to Keep and simply draw a bit on the photo until this photo looks good to be the passport photo. Done. That looks good to me. Yeah, that's how you can remove any unwanted background from your photo. Next is on how to create a passport photo. First step is click on Insert and choose Shapes option. Select a rectangle shape and put it in the slide. The color of this shape is not the same as the passport photo background color. So what I'm going to do is search on Google Malaysia passport photo. Go to image and choose any picture that has blue background color. I'm going to choose this and print screen the area I want, but before that, I will show you a bit about snipping tool or snip and sketch. Click on search beside Windows icon down here. Search and click on snip and sketch. There is shortcut key for you, but it's complicated. So to make it easier, click on these three dots and select Settings. Click on this and click Yes. Scroll down a bit and there is a print screen shortcut. You can enable and disable it. If I enable this, I can simply click on print screen button on my keyboard and there is an option which area you want to screenshot. There are rectangular snip, freeform snip, window snip, and a full screen snip. So I'm just going to use the rectangular snip. Let's go back to Google and snip a bit of this passport photo background. Then paste it in your slide. As you can see, it's a different color, right? So what I'm going to do is click on the shape and go to shape format. Then select shape fill and choose eyedropper fill. Move this eyedropper to the passport photo background color that I just pasted and click on it. See? It will instantly change the color to the one I want. So now I have the right background color and I can proceed to the final step. I'm just going to do it this. And as you can see, the shape is not the same size as the passport photo standard size. So I'm going to search on Google Malaysia passport photo size. Sorry for the typo. Not aspect ratio. Okay, so this is the standard size of a passport photo. Now go back to PowerPoint, and you can see here we can set the height and width of the shape. Set the height to 50mm and the width to 35mm. I don't want the shape outline. Now let's bring my photo to the shape. You can see my photo is covered by the shape. I'm going to right click on my mouse and select bring to front. And now it's in front of the shape. Let's zoom a bit. I'm going to make it a little bigger. And that looks good to me. So now right click again and select crop. Let's crop the photo nicely. There is guideline to which you can crop your photo same with the shape size. Alright, and done. Here you can see that my photo can move everywhere it wants. So to fix that, highlight all and right click on the photo. Go to group and group the photo and the shape together. So yeah, settle. You can resize the photo by pulling this, but it will not adjust the height and width together. So click and hold the shift key and resize the photo. Actually, it doesn't matter what the size of your passport photo if you want to save it in your laptop or on your phone. But if you want to print this, you need to have the right size, the 35mm by 50mm size. So to save this, right click and select Save as Picture and choose the file you want to save in. There are a lot of types here, but the standard and quality one is the PNG format. Rename your photo with whatever name you want, but I'm just going to save it as a passport photo for university. Then save it. To check it again, go to File and check it out. Let's zoom in, and you can see my passport photo is a bit blurred. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy this photo, open Microsoft Word, choose blank document, and paste it. There we go, clear one. If you want to print this photo out, go to File, click on Print, and ready to print. From now, I'm not going to print this, but to save the photo. Now, right click and select Save as Picture. I will do the same thing I did before on PowerPoint. Select a file I want and rename it. I'm just going to rename it as Clear Passport Photo. And save as PNG photo type. Let's check it out. Now, I have two passport photos to compare. Which one is saved by using PowerPoint and another one by using Word. I will zoom in these two photos so you can see them clearly. Okay. So, the right one is from Word and the left one is from PowerPoint. As you can see, the one that from PowerPoint is a bit blurred compared to the one that I saved by using Word. Okay, so The conclusion is, if you want to save your passport photo in a better quality, I suggest you to save your passport photo by using Microsoft Word, like I did previously. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.